In coordination with the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, C² has developed the award-winning Advanced Fraud and Forensics Simulation, an auditing simulation that provides bank examiners the practice and skills in identifying fraudulent activity and tracing transactions to support findings and making recommendations. In the past, training examiners involved hundreds of hours of classroom and document reviews. This method proved costly and timely and inefficient. The process was streamlined using classic training styles in a modernized, highly engaging virtual environment. The simulation contains over 1,000 bank documents available for review and over 500 possible questions to ask. The Advanced Fraud and Forensics Simulation will answer these questions and more. To complete the simulation, participants must complete 5 tasks. 1. Conduct an initial document review of financial documents provided by the examiner in charge. During this review, participants utilize a working documents panel and an items of interest panel to review and identify documents relevant to the investigation. Next, examiners. 2. Conduct a general investigation of bank transactions, looking for evidence of various types of fraud or general lack of internal routines and controls. Participants will review ledgers, transactions, and other bank materials and interview numerous bank personnel asking hundreds of questions selected from the question and answer bank. Next, the examiner will 3. Identify findings of fraud or weak internal controls that relate to the situation in the bank based on the evidence found in documentation and interviews using the Findings Selection tool. Next, the examiner will 4. Identify and assign sufficient documentation to support each of your findings. And finally, the examiner will 5. Make recommendations to the bank and the FDIC to take appropriate action or make necessary improvements based on your findings. Virtual Bank is just one part of the C² Virtual Suite and can be adapted to model most any virtual environment for a variety of audit-related activities such as training applications, including aviation inspection, process review, risk identification, building inspection, and more.